Hi everyone! I have a question for you. Does it happen to you that from time to time you forget to pay your bills on time? Or you forget to review your monthly budget? If your answer was yes, Penny Planner can offer its help. Our Reminders feature allows you to always stay organized and on top of your finances. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump right into the process of setting up reminders. From our dashboard, we will go to our navigation menu on the left or bottom side, depending on the resolution of your screen, and then navigate to the Reminders tab. This will take you to a dedicated page just for managing your reminders. When we first get here, we'll be greeted by a completely empty page. No reminders whatsoever. But we're about to change that. We will be creating our first reminder by clicking Create Reminder button. And now that we have done that, we'll be greeted by the first choice. We need to choose between one-time reminder and recurring reminder. And the best way to approach this is to discuss both of these types. So first, we are going to talk about one-time reminders. These reminders are going to be executed only once on the date and time you have specified. And you will be reminded, of course. Also, we need to specify the exact date and time when you wish to be reminded. This could be for an upcoming bill payment or an annual budget review, but the important part is the fact that you have all the flexibility you'll ever need. And now that we are done explaining our one-time reminders, why not explain the recurring ones as well? And here we have two main options. We can create reminders that are going to be executed once every month, and then we specify day of the month and time on that day, and it will be reminding us every month on the given date in given time. And also, we have yearly recurring reminders, which are going to remind us once per year on the specified date on the given time. And now let's create our first recurring reminder. We are going to make it a monthly reminder, and we are going to pick the 10th every month at 9 a.m. This is going to be our mortgage reminder that is going to remind us to pay our mortgage bills, of course. And now we have our first recurring monthly reminder. And finally, we'll do the same for a recurring yearly reminder. We want to have all the supported types at our disposal, right? So now we want to choose again recurring, and the type is going to be yearly. Now we need to set the date and the time for our annual reminders. Maybe it's going to be for a subscription renewal or insurance payment. We just provide the application with required data, which is already standard. We need title, description, and we want to pick the date and time. And when we hit Create button, we'll see our reminder created for us. And now we can manage them even further. We can decide whether we want to just update them or we do not need them anymore and we want to delete them entirely. This feature will allow you to avoid late fees, to manage your cash flow, and to always be on top of your budget. It's basically something like having a personal assistant that is going to help you manage your finances. What else can I say except I highly recommend you to start setting your reminders with Penny Planner and make financial oversights a thing of the past. Don't forget to browse through the rest of the videos we have in our library for sharing tips and how-to guides for using Penny Planner and getting the most out of it. And also, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and happy budgeting! See you next time!